everyone, we are going to see how we can generate a MCP for retail intelligence in the Nexla Express. It will give you an option to select the list of systems from which you want to build it. Here I selected Shopify, Salesforce and Google BigQuery. For Shopify, it picked up orders, products and customer information. From Salesforce, it was able to pull in opportunities, accounts and contacts module. From BigQuery, it was able to get me the sales analytics and transactional data tables. It was automatically able to get all the tools. Now here I have my Claude web application. You can hit on customize. Then once you go inside connectors, there will be an option for you to add custom connector. This is where you would be pasting the Nexla MCP server URL that was generated for you. And then you can just give a name here and hit on add. Once you hit on add, it will ask you to connect to an authorized account. I'm going to allow access and I'm going to connect through my authorized account. Once it's done, now Claude will be displaying you all the available tools exposed by Nexla, like for querying your Shopify, your Salesforce or your BigQuery data would be shown here. Now, the next step is you can go to new chat and start asking natural language query. For example, if you want to get a customer 360 view, you can just put that on a natural query and you can send out a prompt. Then Claude will call the Nexla's MCP tools in the background. It also tries to join the data sets that are relevant and it will return a unified view for you. Once it's done, I get enriched results, customer details, order histories, and insights all without writing SQL or pipeline. That's how easy it is to plug in Nexla into Claude using MCP and start getting real business insights in seconds. Thank you.